Gusto nyo bang marinig ang mga kwento? Bababam, bam, bam, bam.
Whiska! Whiska!
Mickey Mouse! Yan tayo eh. Galing talaga tayo eh. Okay. Tararan, tan. Ay, wait, nakakanta.
Bam!
Tararan, ay. Okay. Tama na tayo, guys. Stop talaga.
Guys, kamusta tayo? What is up, everyone? This is the Friday Cleaners, and we are back again with another episode. So for this episode, we will highlight our peaks and pits of the week. Kung ano mga nangyari sa amin, kung ano nangyari sa inyo, i-share nyo rin yan, syempre. So, ano nga bang nangyari sa atin? We will go with Kay first. Siguro maraming nangyari to sa kanya kasi gusto niya mauna.
Hala, oh my God. Like, what a privilege talaga. Privilege. Okay, so I'm gonna tackle the first thing I did last week, which is nag-filming ako for a production. So,
Oh.
I became an extra sa production ng Sophomores. It's a music video ng
Secret muna.
Secret. Hintayin yung lumabas. Pero extra pa lang ako for now kasi I wanna just dip my toes in. Lalo na ang dami natin commitments like this podcast and everything. Yeah, it was so fun kasi I found out like they spent 30K minimum lang for the for the whole music video.
That's how much we're gonna spend pag nag-prod na tayo.
Yeah.
And
And
like
even maybe mag-go up pa siya, no? Kasi,
Minimum pa yun.
actually it did go up kasi they had to spend money for our fare and our food. Yeah. So it's a very great experience. Very mainit lang doon and it's my peak kasi I really enjoyed the lessons I learned from si Kira. The lessons I learned from filming kasi nalaman ko talaga kung paano nila na-handle yung schedule ng filming and then at the same time the actors and everything. So yun, I really like that. For my pit, I'd probably say my pit was yung announcement na they might stop classes because of and little insight lang right now we're kind of doing half online half face to face because of tumaas ng mga bilihin, tumaas ng gas, so tumaas na din yung transpo and because of that they decided to do it half online, so that's my pit of the week.
it's quite alarming, no, na tumataas yung prices habang yung mga expenses natin tumataas talaga. Tapos, yung sahod natin or sahod ng mga parents natin, hindi siya tumataas. So, the problem doubles up.
Yeah, not only like the sahod but like the benefits either. Like we aren't really benefiting from anything the government gives us right now.
And yung mga, I think, solutions ng government ngayon, it's like a band-aid solution. Temporary lang siya. Yeah, hindi siya permanent na. So, ikaw naman, Jade, what's your peaks and pits of the week?
Hi guys, it's Jade. For my peak, actually I don't know kung peak siya or pit, but it's definitely yung from our first recording ng first episode.
Yeah.
Kasi naman guys, I don't know if, isasama mo ba yung part na yun? Kasi we recorded the first part, right? Sa Pinto. And then, sorry, laugh lang siya. Laugh lang. Pero yun, after filming kasi, we went around the museum muna. Since meron kaming time frame na sinusundan na dapat we're in the museum from this hour up until this hour. Pero natapos kami earlier than we thought we would. So, yun, we decided na umikot-ikot muna around the museum. Kaso nga lang, medyo nasulit namin masyado.
Yeah. Diyos ko, day. Pagod kami pagkalabas ng museum.
Tas super init pa.
Hindi
Like,
naman
even
kasi
while we were...
haggard na kami.
Even like while we were recording, ang init-init. And then I was like, oh my God, ba't di ko dala yung yung pamaypay ko, yung She's Alive ni Kay, nakalimutan niya. Everyone forgot their like things to cool them off, right? And then, nakuha pa talaga namin magpicture.
Yeah, dapat,
Mm-mm.
ano pa rin.
Isulit ang entrance fee.
Yeah.
Diba? So, yeah, that's definitely my peak. And, oh, and also to add to that is nilakad pa namin. Lumakad pa kami. And we were deciding, guys, ituloy pa natin filming ng, mag-film ng another episode on that same day. Kasi, yun nga, danas na danas kami, guys.
Yeah.
Very haggard na namin.
Pawis. Pawis na pawis. Oh my God.
And like, we're all oily, init na kami. Haggard talaga.
Kaya kada magde-decide ng venue, pinupush ko yung bahay ko. Pero hindi, o hindi.
Diba, para
Push ko
less
bahay ni Laika.
hassle din.
Oo, bahay ko talaga.
Pag tayo talaga pumunta, third episode na pambahay na tayo. Pajamas.
Pajama party.
Cute
Pajama
yan.
party.
Cute yan for an episode. In the future episodes, guys. Asahan nyo. Pero yun, definitely. That's my peak. And for my pit, andito. Andito, my deodorant. Ano kaya pit? Oh, I I crashed a certain event against my own will, guys. Kasi, diba? Pit na nga, tinatawanan ko pa. Pero yun, against my own will, talaga. Kasi, I'm really, klarong-klaro ako about my boundaries as a person. And like, if there's this certain thing na dapat, ay, po? Like, kunwari, a birthday party and like, hindi ako invited, I really won't go. Even if ka-close ka yan and di ako na-invite, hindi talaga ako pupunta. And that certain event, I'm not gonna say what it is, but yun, napasama ako. And talagang I was really against it, pero napilitan ako, guys. And yun nga, it felt really violating sa boundaries ko. And also, definitely, sa boundaries din ng mga taong sineselebrate nung time na yun. Yeah.
I have to agree na when you put boundaries onto yourself tapos pinush siya ng iba, like it makes you feel
Feel.
bad for other people na it's an enforced error of mine.
Mm-mm.
Hindi ko siya dahilan pero dahilan ng iba. So it's
Mm-mm.
kind of bad na ganun yung naging pits mo for this.
Tas not being able to like actually like live up to your own boundaries. It made me feel small nung time na yun. Yes.
And whenever you're being forced to do something, and again, it's against your own will, there's gonna be a certain feeling of guilt, diba?
Mm-mm.
Something heavy in your heart. Na it's hard for you to take off because what else can you do about it? Since it wasn't your intention naman in the first place, diba?
I feel like it's hard kasi you feel violated yourself, but you also feel bad kasi you feel like you're violating someone else. Like, kasi that whole event was like someone's safe space, they coordinated it, and then, syempre, you don't want to be there, so in a way you're being violated, but you're also violating someone else's safe space and happiness, so you feel really, really bad. Like, that's unfortunate.
And also, may naisip ko rin ng time na yun was that I could have stopped it myself. Pero, yun nga, whatever. Girl, whatever. Yun na lang talaga.
Anyway,
whatever.
those who pushed you, they should really be held accountable
Mm-mm.
in some way.
Yes.
Okay, so for me naman, siguro ang naging peak ko today is, this week, ang naging peak ko is, I was able to watch Sisa and in the cinemas, I was able to watch Sisa, tapos I was able to watch other films then, like The Bride, if you know Jessie Buckley. Napanood ko siya sa cinemas and it was great. Sobrang ganda nila. Sobrang relevant ng topics nung Sisa na natalakay nila dun sa film na yon.
Natalakay.
Yes, talakay talaga. Deep word.
Big word.
Big word. So yun, isa pa sa mga naging peak ko this week is I was able to write scripts and I was able to write pieces of like kasi meron akong mga pieces of literature, poetry na I dedicate to someone, and I dedicate to myself, I dedicate to other people's stories. You know, kapag kilala kita, I will write a story about you and I will write a piece about you. Ganon akong tao.
Who's
And-
that someone?
No, wala muna. So,
Ganun din
Gan-
siya magtanim ng galit, guys.
Mm.
Hoy, ano ba tong ano ba tong mga to?
Oo, susumbong ko sila sa
Susumbungin.
journal ko.
Hindi lang sa journal, susumbungin na rin sa AO3. Ipapublish yun sa AO3. Uy guys, alam niyo ba tong si ano?
May sariling tag si
Huwag
Tag niya,
kasi.
Mark. With the purple heart. Sana gets niyo yung reference, guys.
Donatella Versace.
Yes.
Okay. So, yun yung mga naging picks ko this week. And for my pet, siguro, I was overwhelmed nung Friday. Nung Friday na yun. Not Friday nung filming namin, but last week. Kasi it was sunod-sunod na report. Tapos, I was in the middle of, parang crisis, I would say. Then, sa last report ko, I almost broke down. Pero hindi naman halata siya sa mga classmates namin. Buti na lang. Kasi I don't want it to show or na maging halata. I stayed composed nung whole report na yon, and it's kind of embarrassing in my behalf. And parang nga ako, nag-apologize pa ako on my other friends na pero hindi naman daw nila nahalata na naging ganun yung deliver ko sa class noon nung nag-report ako. So yun lang.
It's very understandable rin, no, na like, you're supposed to be doing something. Like, yun nga yung reporting. And then, you're supposed to stay composed even though ang hirap na because you're in the middle of
Professionalism na lang din kasi.
Mm-mm.
Yeah. I have to
Professionalism.
stay composed kasi nga ang hirap noon. I was in front of our professor tapos mga kaklase ko pa. So it's kind of yun talaga, nahihiya ako on my behalf. And sana I am trying na hindi i-hold yung self ko na maging guilty sa mga ganong bagay kasi alam ko naman na hindi siya nakokontrol and it's as per of the moment.
I'm so proud of you though, kasi you were able to get through it and you were able to stay professional even though you were feeling all these big feelings. So I hope you know that.
Yeah, thank you so much, Kay. So, yun lang po for me. And ikaw naman, Lai, what's your peaks and pits of the week?
Oh. This is a little funny for me. Ano? Medyo medyo edgeball. For me, ewan ko sa inyo. Pero kasi, you know naman, Girl Week. Diba? So, I get highly emotional then, sensitive. Mga ganito, ganyan. And this week kasi, nag-start, on my first day, ayun. On my first day, when I was in school, I was with my friends, I was also with Mark. Tapos, bigla kong pag week ko kasi, I crave a lot of food. Like, sabihin natin,
Alam ko yan.
Maka-agree si Mark na para mag-meron.
meron din siya pa.
Alam niyo guys, ganyan talaga yung si Mark. Like when he notices na isa sa amin may cramps or like we're gonna talk about cramps, sabihin niya, I get.
Girl, thought son.
No, I meant na alam ko yung nangyari kay Lai.
Yeah, he was there. He was there, guys. But he
Kala
saw
ko,
me
alam mo na
crying.
may cramps ka din eh.
Like, she's in front of me. Parang nag-breakdown siya sa harap ko.
Guys, as in breakdown. Sabi ko lang, like, OA lang ako na sabi na, feeling ko maiiyak ako. Guys, gusto ko ng choco butternut. Gets niyo ako, diba? Gets niyo ako. Choco butternut na yan.
Yes.
Cult classic.
Goated.
Cult classic.
Baka naman, sponsored.
Choco butternut lang. Wala namang brand. Diba?
Choco butter.
Malay mo, may mag-send sa'yo ng isang buong choco butter na.
Boston cream and Bavarian. Yan tuloy, nagka-crave na rin ako.
Yeah.
Si Jade naman yung iiyak sa... Ayun. Yun lang, parang
So ano ba yun? Peak or pit?
pit. Pit kasi umiyak muna ako eh.
Tawanan eh. Parang ang laugh
Sorry,
ko
sis.
masyado.
Parang may part 2 kasi siya.
Kaya nga may may disclaimer na ako kanina eh. Medyo funny siya, di ba? Funny nga. Ayun.
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 So that's it for this
Hindi
episode.
pa talaga. Hindi pa talaga. Ayun. After that, ewan ko ba't ako nag-crave. Siguro nakita ko siya sa phone ko. Sa phone ko. Tapos, parang gusto ko na siya mabata na, naiiyak ako, magkaklase na, di ako makakapuntang bayan para makabili. Sabi ko, ano ba yan? Nawitness yun nila, Mark. Oo. Tapos naiyak tuloy. Wala highly sensitive talaga ako kapag first day ko. And on the days after that.
We
O baka
should've
lagi
gotten
lang talaga.
Grab, bro.
Anyway.
Pag-grab ng choco butter.
Ayun. Tapos, after that, I'll mention na lang din. Mark bought me, a pack of candy. I'm like, oh, Mark, thank you. Ganun talaga sabi ko, oh, Mark, thank you. OA lang. Super OA. But I really appreciated that.
Very caring talaga yung si Mark, guys.
Very caring.
Legit.
Pero,
He's the acts of service. He's the acts of service
Exactly.
babe of the
Very
of the group.
Sim.
He's like the daddy Mark.
Hindi.
oh,
Hindi
that's
na.
Dada.
I know Dada.
Love that.
Mami, Odi. Dami mong dada.
Iba yan. Ibang Dada yan. Anyway, for my... Ay, sorry guys.
Hindi pa, di ba tapos? Wait lang, wala pa.
Masyado kasing masaya.
Isip ko yung, okay, that's it. Tingnan mo
Okay
siya.
na to.
Okay na to.
Bye. See you next episode. Si Jack kasi pansin ko parang,
Sorry, Josh.
Hindi
Ito
kasi.
na, bilisan
he
natin.
doesn't feel well.
Nangingigo ako eh.
Mm.
Meron ka pa?
Meron ka din? Meron ka din, Jack?
Oo, sa ilong.
Mamaya, next episode, may
Accurate
napkin na
joke.
siya dito sa ilong.
Accurate joke.
Hindi ko to, napkin talaga.
Yo!
Yun yung tampon.
Lagyan natin tampon ilong ni Jack.
Tapos may pa-applicate.
Sorry guys, medyo bagra.
Sorry, guys.
We're just keeping it real, guys.
Yeah. Anyway, moving on. Moving on to my
Miss,
peak.
moving on. Sorry, Fifth Harmony.
Okay. Hindi ko gets eh. Sorry. Ayan.
Okay,
Medyo-
go na talaga.
medyo
Okay. Okay na, okay na.
Tayo masyado.
Isa, inumin ko yung nakamatch.
Ayun. For my peak naman, I started off the week well because this Sunday, I went out with my family. Yeah. I was with my relative that just came home from nasa isip ko stateside. Zara Larson.
Pink Panthers.
From
They just finished touring
from another
stateside.
country. Yeah. And he treated us with food, ganon, and bought us this and that. Ako naman, nagpabili na lang ako ng socks, ng brand new socks. I'm wearing them right now, actually. They're really pretty. Wait lang, ha? Wait lang.
Show us your grippers.
Oh, that's
Hindi,
different.
hindi.
That's a different thing to sell. Anyway, ayun. It's peak for me because I really, really love, again, quality time, as I said in the last episode. And I really love being with my family, especially, kapag happy-happy lang, we're just spending time together, lalo na pag we all miss each other. It's really nice. It's really a nice feeling to be with your family. Yeah. I think simple things lang, eating out, ganon. That's gotta be it for me. What about you, Jack?
I think yung simplicity, I think yung simplicity din ng quality time, it makes it so much more special. Like kahit like you guys are just in the same room doing your own thing, as long as
Yeah.
magkakasama kayo.
Kahit ngayon
it's really
matutulog
nice.
ka lang eh,
Diba?
di ba?
I feel like that's the beauty talaga in
Yeah.
quality time. Keeping it simple then. Yeah.
Okay. Let's move on to Jack. Ito na talaga. Real na to ha.
Ayun na.
Ito yung
Real.
meron sa ilong.
Sana wag ka man-nosebleed ha. Huwag ka mag-English.
Such a beautiful day.
Ay,
Hala.
nag-English siya.
Yes.
May copyright. Makaka-copyright ba tayo? Kung nag-play ako ng kanta. Hindi. Wag na.
Ayan siya. Ay, muna. Ano marinig ha?
Hindi, wag na.
Wag na daw.
It's such a beautiful day. Hi, Kira.
Nag-hello siya sa cat.
Si Kira.
Si
Sa
Kira
cat
yung
dito sa
pusa na
cafe.
nagsusupervise sa amin.
Siya talaga manager namin.
So, yung mga last week ko, wala, normal lang. Parang lang, happy-happy lang. Yung parang nag-frolic-frolic lang ako sa stage.
Ay, wala. Lumabas na ng frame. Mamaya nandyan na yan katabi nyo, sa dako.
Pag pinapanood na audience sa laptop, nag-comment siya.
Hindi, pakita ko ngayon.
Oo.
Hindi. So, parang normal-normal lang yung week ko. Yung parang, siguro yung pinaka-highlight, yung parang kapag uuwi ako, may sasalubong sa akin na parang, puppy, pati,
Aww.
kitten.
Cute naman.
Pangalan niya ata Lacey. Tapos kahit mainit, kahit mainit, parang kinakalaro ko lang sa may gate ng subdivision namin. Tapos kinakagat-kagat na yung pantalon ko.
Buti di nagsiselos yung aso mo. Hindi ka naaamoy.
Pasaway siya.
Masawa siya.
Hindi wala naman siya hindi naman siya yung ganun na sentimental.
Hindi
Sentimental.
naman salosa yung aso.
Hindi siya sensitive na ganun.
Eh, ikaw?
Kakain ko sausage.
Ay! Ano? Ano gagawin?
Eggs, bacon, grits, cheese. Siguro yung pits ko. Nakalimutan ko na din eh.
Ay,
Siguro wala akong pits.
oo,
Happy,
kasi
happy
nga,
lang.
happy-happy lang si Jack.
Kahit may mga... Ano meron sa nosebleed? Akala mo pampasad yun sa akin.
Para mo siya si 11.
More of like the bad part of your week kasi you get inconvenienced a lot because of your nose.
Akala mo inconvenience yun sa akin. Superpower yun.
Mm.
Ginagawa kong dahilan kung bakit nalilito ako.
Ay, kilala niyo ba si Eleven?
Sila.
Guys, sinabi ni Jack, ginagawa niya yung dahilan pag nalilate siya. So, anong meaning yon? Kasi na-late siya today.
Yun din yung reason.
Iba yun, Jack, iba.
Pero totoo na nosebleed ako.
I hope you're okay, Jack.
Pattern recognition. Lagi ako late.
But it's really cute, ha? Like, even if hindi mo ask si Lacey, I saw sa GC, it's like stray dog. But it's cute na, kahit pa paano, merong dog that's like, ah! Hindi. Iba yun. Mimi, ah! Rah, rah, rah.
Sige, send ko sa inyo.
I-email niya sa iyo isa't isa. Pero yun, it's really cute na merong aso that's like, when you go home, excited siya. O, yan no? May background music siya. Ay, yan tayo eh.
Awayin
Ayun,
nila
it's really
ako.
nice.
Huwag niyo ko awayin Disney.
Walang mga away.
Disney ha. Bawal dumaan.
Fight.
Fight.
Yes. You wanna fight me? 1v1. Leslie.
So, Jack, wala ka talagang pits?
Gusto mo ba?
No, hindi naman. Like, okay yun na walang pits si Jack, no? Kasi nga, as he said, happy-happy lang siya.
Very optimistic of each
One of his good qualities is that, though minsan heavy talaga napapagdaanan, he doesn't exactly dwell on it too much. That's a really nice quality of Jack.
Yeah, but I hope, Jack, na kahit kunyari, wala kang nasabing pits ngayon, and if you silently go through it, I hope you are doing well. Yun lang. So, meron ka pa bang i-share?
Wala.
Wala na. Okay.
Hmm.
So as we wrap up our pits and peaks of the week, ngayon naman, pag-uusapan natin ano yung mga coping mechanisms na ginagawa natin during our highs, during our lows. Ano ba yung ginagawa natin kapag stress tayo? Ano yung stressors natin? And for this week, yun yung i-highlight natin. So, again, we will start with Kay. Kay.
Oh my god, back to me. I feel like I'm like the most crash out of all of us. Except for Jaden.
I feel like Jaden is
most likely
Crash out.
crash out.
Yeah, same.
Sa atin.
Pero kasi ako, I'm like the silent crash out.
Grabe
Ganito
naman.
kasi. Ganito kasi yun. You know, we're all classmates here.
Yeah.
If I don't feel the vibes or if I don't feel well, uma-absent ako. Alam niyo yan.
Yeah,
Ayoko.
it's true.
Kasi
Self-care queen.
I protect my energy. I protect my space. If
Paano
something...
bang evil eye kami?
Hindi naman. Iba, iba talaga, te. I have a lot of stressors. stressful people.
Mm.
If there's stressful
Gets.
people
Alam
in
mo,
my
Kay,
life,
kung ayaw mo na sa amin, dun ka na.
Mm.
Ay, hindi.
Ay,
Hindi talaga.
Ayaw
Mag-frolic.
talaga.
Mag-frolic na siya papunta. Frolic? She's not just gonna do it. She's gonna frolic.
bro, I hate stressful people. Especially in group works and things like that, and also people outside, like the rude ones who will catcall you.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Guys, alam niyo ba kung gaano kahirap mag-commute sa Pinas?
Tama.
Mm.
Diyos ko.
I got
Lalo na pag
catcalled
babae
on
ka.
the way here. This is crazy. I always find a way to avoid those situations. So, ganun, kunyari, if I'm stressed with a person, I'll find a way, a good way, a healthy way without fighting them in order to avoid them or just to not interact with them. And then, my main stressor really is schoolwork. Like, I'm so stressed every time they give out schoolwork. That's why I don't like our online classes. Kasi sobrang lala, puro asynchronous. Lahat sila nagbibigay ng task. Tapos mostly mga essay yung gusto nilang gawin. So like, whenever I'm stressed with that, I'll pop on a movie or a song while I'm doing it, just so I can relax. And then if that really does not solve my problem, I buy a bunch of food. That's why I've been broke recently. I buy a lot of food. Kasi,
Stress eating.
yeah, I love stress eating. Although it's really bad kasi. Pero like, ang difference kasi ng stress eating ko, usually I'll eat savory foods. But like, if I'm stressed, that's when I'll switch to like a lot of sweets. Yeah, I'll eat a lot of sweets the whole day. And then after doing that, I'll go to sleep. And that's how I
Pero
cope.
di ba sweets nakaka-affect siya ng like cortisol levels?
Yeah.
I didn't know
Pero
that.
like, di ba nakaka-affect siya? Like, nakaka-lower ba yun?
Mm-mm. Kasi
Yeah.
cortisol, it
Kaya
makes
you're
you
craving
stress. If you have high cortisol, you are stressed. Tapos kapag may low cortisol ka, so
That's
sayaw
the
na kayo
trend,
ng
guys.
cortisol.
Yeah, I eat a lot of sweets. The only problem is
Oh,
my
yun.
heart. Like, I'll get a
Mm.
sugar rush. So
Yeah,
I'll go like this, and then I have to lay down. And then that's it. That's how I process my stress.
That's good, no? Like, although you said and you recognize na unhealthy siya at some point, I love how you have a lenient way of coping up with your stress, and you allow yourself to have that room na i-cope yung mo para maiwasan mo or maging way siya para sa'yo na ma-deal yung stress.
Yeah, it's
Para malighten din yung mood mo, diba?
it's not letting myself get carried away, but it's indulging myself every once in a while. Yun kasi yan. The balance.
Balance.
Yeah. Okay.
How-
Here na sa Jaden.
Jaden.
Paano nga ba mag-cope?
stress sa kanya?
Sino-sino?
Ay! Hindi,
Kaya
hindi
magkalayo
tayo. Oo. Oo, talaga. Kasi like, minsan, you just have to protect your energy. Ay, hindi tayo gaganon. Ano ba yan?
Over.
Alam mo yung aura ko? Kinikip ko lang dito eh. Pero napapaganon kasi ako.
Atikimi.
Atikimi!
Okay, Jade, go na.
Okay, ways that I cope. Siguro, mindful practices. Mindful! Pero yun, kasi, I'm someone who's not the best at words, I swear. Like, even sa mga essays, I am, hindi ko yan
Not the
forte.
best at words, pero sobrang filled out.
Oo,
Very
diba?
expressive girly.
Like, for some reason, like, diba? Like, hindi ko talaga ma-articulate yung thoughts ko or yung feelings ko into words. So, like, I don't really journal in a way na sinusulat ko lahat ng naiisip ko. It's not how I thought, daughter.
Mm.
But the way that inaano ko siya, nalabas ko siya, is that, yun nga, I nire-reminisce.
Reminisce.
I think, Jade, you're a digital thoughter. Ganon.
Mm-mm.
Parang you like documenting your stuff more digitally.
Yeah. Kind of. Kasi like, minsan, ang sakit rin sa mata. So like, if I'm not like, hindi ko check yung hindi ko naayos yung mga photos ko sa G Drive, like, di ko siya organize, I don't go through it or whatever, di ko siya na-edit. Nagja-junk journal ako, kaya may times na if we go to cafes, ganaw,
Yeah, whenever we go out then, I give my junk to Jade, to Mark, because I know they junk journal.
Yes. So,
Mm-mm.
thank you, Lai. Ay, we have to share also yung pumunta tayo sa
Ay,
Unique.
oo.
We go sa isang ano,
Dedicated like that.
sa isang where ano ngayon, store na
Yeah.
ano siya, medyo sikat siya here sa Philippines.
Can we not? Bawal ba yun sabihin?
Bawal. So, isa siyang store na nakikita sa SM, ganto, ganyan. Pumunta talaga kami alone just to get their free magazines.
Diretso
We're
from
that
school.
dedicated. Ano.
Diretso from school.
Oo.
I remember, like,
Also,
right when yung prof namin nag-dismiss, bigla kami, okay, tara na, punta natin. Buka kami. Nag-jeep kami, and then
Jade
yun
was
yung
like,
mga
Jade was like screaming, Mark! The brand name.
ayun nga, we're that dedicated. And also sponty yun na kasi nakita ko yung TikTok about na merong binibigay yung Uniqlo. And
Oh.
ano, sobrang timing niya na umabot pa kami kasi it was about the seasons have to change kasi naka-American season sila. So, yun.
And also, from what I recall, medyo paubos na rin yung copies nila, diba? Like, onti lang. There were like 3 or
That brand.
like 5-ish left na lang. Yeah, so yun, nagtigisa kami.
I
Sulit
miss-
kasi ang cute ng graphics din.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We thought nga na sobrang minimalist niya and
Mm-mm.
meron din palang mga like caricatures, animations, ganon.
Yun din yung iniisip ko actually. Like, when we were on the way, I was like, Mark, I think yung mga graphics, knowing yung branding ng ano na yun, clothing line na yun,
Mm.
I think medyo, baka I might not get a copy kasi very minimalist yung branding na. No, di naman very, but like, it's more on the, on the minimalist side. So yun, and then, when we checked, oh my god, we were like, wait, Mark, tignan mo to, this is so cute, wait, this is so cute, wait, yan yung silhouette. All
And we
that.
stayed like that on that spot within like 10 minutes ata bago kami umalis kasi tiningnan talaga namin kung anong contents niya.
Ina-examine
How
namin.
dedicated they are.
Pero yun, that's how I cope.
Mm.
Like, I junk journal, and also, I talk to my friends about it. I talk to people about it. And, yun nga, even if hindi talaga ako good with words, I still try my best. I still try my best na maparating.
Mm.
Medyo big word. Siguro medium.
Medium.
Ano siya?
Pero yun. Basta for me, ang mahalaga lang is malabas ko yung negative energy that I have within me. Para like, kasi if it gets too much, it's really gonna get in my head. Kaya may times na bigla na ako nananahimik.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yung nakikita kong similarities ko with Jade is I agree na ako rin, hindi ako good with words vocally. I'm good with words, yung yung sa mga literature, oo, parang ganun. Kasi most of the time, kita nyo naman na silent ako lagi kapag di ako yung na-approach. Ano talaga, like, nakaupo lang ako, ganyan.
Nung first day of school nga, tahimik lang siya. Pero inaano pa yun. Also, alam niyo si Chill Guy, guys? Kamukha niya talaga siya. And there was this one time na he dressed up kind of close to how Chill Guy did.
Yeah.
Diba? Sinasar ni
The
Kate,
gray
tapos nainis
sweater.
si Mark. And di pa namin siya ka-close, no?
Oo, kasi pang-aasar talaga is my love language. I was trying to get close to him.
Kaya if you
Makaka-relate
guys...
dyan si Jack. Love language talaga ni Kim mga sir. Di ba, Jack?
Si Jack talaga yung usual
Kaya
victim
kami
niya.
magkalayo eh. Mag-away.
Diba?
Nag-away kami kahapon, guys.
Kung mag-away sila
Oo.
parang magkapatid talaga. They have that sibling dynamic.
So,
Yeah.
for me naman, ang nagiging coping mechanism ko is to write talaga. To write, to laan a time para magbigay ako talaga ng time for me to watch films, to doom scroll, consuming media. Yung time na yon I dedicated siguro tuwing weekends kasi every weekdays sobrang focus ako sa academics or if may mag-aya na friend ko. So, nilalaan ko talaga yung time ko with
Going
other
out, son.
people. Tapos, with my friends na kapag nag-aya talaga, I'm their go-to person kahit saan pa yan. Joke lang.
Lalakarin niya. Lalakarin niya kahit super layo na.
What I love about yung mga ginagawa ko is sobrang stress-free niya. Hindi ko siya ginagawa ng may pressure. Hindi ko siya ginagawa ko siya kasi gusto ko. Tapos I also like naman din gawin yung ko, academics ko. But yung lenient, yung mga time ko na nilalaan ko for me to watch film, to write poetry, stories, ganon. Ah, yun yung time for me to express myself more. Kasi in academics, I feel like I express myself in a strict way kasi nga sobrang higpit ko sa sarili ko when it comes to academics. So, yun yung time for me to express myself more talaga. To bloom, ganon.
Blue.
So, ikaw naman, Lai, what's your coping mechanism and how do you deal with stressors?
Ayun, honestly, very similar kay Mark. Kaya ganun kami eh. Very magkasundo kami ni Mark, sa mga niche namin talaga. Ayun. For me naman, ang nagiging coping mechanism ko lately, um, well, at first, not at first, but like, nung start ng month, ayun, I got 2 notebooks. Which I also designed, by the way. It's really nice. Na DIY ko siya. It's really cute. Super cute.
Is it yung list?
Yeah, it's
I
um,
feel like we should show yung mga junk journals natin at some
maybe we can. Or
Ang
like,
bulky kasi nung akin, guys, sorry.
alam mo, dedicated siya eh. Diba?
Ah.
Yeah. Tapos pag may gusto rin, may mga like kinikip pa kayo na albums, notebooks, kayo okay.
Ako meron.
Siguro I'll bring my sentiment.
I used to draw a lot. I don't know
Oh
where.
my
yeah,
God, we
sketchbook.
should! Sentimental box. Meron ka ba
yeah.
ng...
Ikaw,
Yeah,
Jack.
I do. I don't know where it is. I
Wala.
bro.
You have to find it,
No,
siguro.
kasi I used to have one like this big. Tapos, tinatago ko siya sa likod ng closet kasi I don't want anyone to touch it until I fucking forgot. I forgot where it is.
And some episode, some filler episode.
Yeah, maybe we can show it someday. But for my scrapbook, I can't call it junk journal yet because I haven't put any junk in it yet. Puro printed lang na pictures, ganon.
Alam nyo guys, si Lai, she's yun nga, digicam girly.
Yes.
She loves to take photographs
I
talaga.
do. Actually, nandito siya.
Ayun no.
Yeah, ano to siya? Family heirloom. Heirloom.
Heirloom.
Pero kasi galing pa to sa parents ko.
Mm.
Before sumikat ulit yung digicams, nakita ko na siya. And then, gumawa pa ako ng account sa IG. Alam mo yun, di ba? Very sikat rin yan right
Digicam
now.
account.
Yeah, I made a digicam account before it even boomed again. Like, I'm so happy because a lot of people were getting into photography again. Ayun, mga ganon. And I'm like, oh, I share a certain hobby now with other people.
Tsaka it's a
And
nice
she
way to
is.
keep your memories din, no?
Exactly.
Like,
As
para
a,
kahit papano, you
as a
get to,
keeper.
like, capture that
Yeah.
that memory.
Yeah.
Photograph it.
It's it's a place where you can keep your memories na hindi sa phone mo.
Mm-mm.
Diba? It's really nice.
Analog.
Analog,
2026.
exactly. I love analog
Mhm.
activities and
Nasa card din namin yan, guys. Yung mini website. Yung kay Laika. For now, wala pa kasi tayong photos for it. Yung individual photos
we will have.
natin. Pero yung andun
You wait
for
for it,
now
guys.
is si Snoopy with a camera because that's so Laika. When I saw it, I was like, oh my god, this is
yeah,
so
yun
Laika.
so ngayon lahat. Guys, please check it out. It's so cute. It's also us. Yeah.
Yes.
Ayan. Going back, ayun, I tried to yung writing journal, ayun. Kaya I bought 2 because one was to be a writing journal and the second one was supposed to be a junk or a scrapbook journal or maybe a mix of both. Why not, right? Ayun. And then I didn't really get to try writing on my journal, on the first journal. Na-decorate ko siya with stickers and all that stuff. Pero yun na kasi yung na-enjoy ko. I haven't really found the time to write on it yet. Marami ako naging prompts. Pero
AI.
hindi. Mali. Hindi ka talaga yan. LGBT? Ayun.
Alam mo, Lai, a tip, kasi ginagawa ko to tuwing
Yeah.
wala akong time na mailaan.
Diba?
Ilalagay ko siya sa notes ko. Sa notes ko or
Ah.
I dedicate, meron kasi akong account na Google Documents. Tapos sobrang dami na niya. Doon ko muna siya nilalagay for a meantime. Then if I find a free time, kunyari weekends, doon ako naglalagay. Doon ko siya tina-transfer.
Yeah.
So maybe it's a way for you to keep up then. Like, i-update mo siya ng i-update.
Yeah. Thank you, Mark. Ayun. I actually do that dati.
Mm.
Kaya I said na recently yung sa journals, ganon. I did that dati. Google Docs and writing on the notes. Pero, yeah, maybe I can consider writing the prompt on the notes and then saka ko na siya i-write like on the journal itself. Because it's really helpful. Words are very, ayan nga, again, impactful. And it's really nice if you get to have a way to let your feelings out. So, ayun. What I actually do is, nagdo-doom scroll din ako to not to avoid my feelings, pero like, to calm down, ganon. I try to find a way to feel better first. Because I really don't want to get my emotions to eat me, Parang, ayoko makloud yung isip ko with all that negativity and sadness.
Pero like, it's
Guilty pleasure din
guilty pleasure din kasi talaga yung doom scrolling. Kasi like, alam natin na, like, from the name itself, alam na natin it's bad. Like,
You are
literal
doomed,
doom.
girl.
Scrolling
Yeah.
to your doom talaga. But like, minsan natatawa na tayo kasi, like, whenever you scroll, bigla na ang makita mo, ni-repost ng friend mo, something so
Right? It's so
questionable. Di ba, Mark?
random.
Ay,
Hindi. Mali.
kung
My
makita
God.
nyo lang talaga mga ni-repost na tong si Mark.
Anyway, ayun, di ba? It's a way to re-regulate your feelings na lang din, kumbaga. Para naman you get to feel better. And kapag may nakikita ko na parang negative na vibe, I try to avoid it as much as possible. I try to resort to finding something else to do, ganon. Analog activities. Analog. Ayun. Or maybe I get to eat, ganon. Stress eating na natin. Pero yeah, I could also talk to people. And as a thought daughter, I reminisce. I reminisce the good times I had sa gallery ko. Ubo ako, guys.
May laman. May baon ka ba?
Okay, I think need na nila yun ng break. Bigyan ng
May
camera
matcha
kay
siya,
Jack.
guys.
Ay, camera. Yung mic kay Jack.
Sorry! Hindi siya nakaka-demure! Sorry! Moving on.
Jack, ikaw naman. So, anong ginagawa mong coping mechanism or what are the ways for you to deal with your stressors? Pero kanina sinabi mo, di ba, wala kang bits for the week. So, for your, question na lang, kunyari, kapag stress ka or something you dealt with na mahirap, anong ginagawa mo to deal with it or to relax?
Bago ko sagutin yun, alamin ng lahat na binayaran ko ng utang ko kay John Mark.
Ha?
May utang ka?
Hala?
Ayan, kailangan pa ng code. Wag na, mamaya na.
Wala eh.
Sagot muna, sagot.
Sagot, Jack. Go.
Sagot.
Isang tanong, isang sagot.
Pressure niyo ako.
Ay, okay.
Pag ako nabagsak.
Si Jack na
Oh. Ay.
Rolik na naman siya. Check siya ng AI. AI generated memories.
Napaka mo ha. That's so derogatory.
So, skibidi. Ay, oops. Ito to naman eh.
So, ginagawa ko, humiga lang ako, legit. Like, legit. And
Tulog is
madalas
life
na
talaga
kapag...
eh, no?
Blablabla.
Tulog is life talaga.
Jaden would know.
Oops.
Bed
Late din siya
rotting.
eh.
Bed rotting.
Yeah, bed rotting.
Late din siya eh.
Yeah.
Mas late ako. Pero late din siya.
Din sila kanina.
Ah, yan.
Joke lang, pre.
Puksaan na mga late.
Okay, other than that, Jack, meron pa ba?
So, doom scroll din ako na kay.
Doom scroll.
Hindi, ayoko naman maglaro ng mga games parang nawawala na ako.
Feel ko nasi-stress din si Jack sa games eh, kasi sa mga nakakalaro niya.
Oo, lagi kasi
Tulad
namatay.
Oh, di ba?
Sige. The games he plays are so stressful. Tapos pag inaaya ko siya maglaro, yung mga laro na pinipili niya sa Roblox, nakaka-stress.
Diba?
Hindi
Like,
naman.
ang idea ng game is para mag-de-stress. And then yung pipiliin niya is mas nakaka-stress. Ano ba talaga?
Laging gusto ni Jack. Horror.
Diba? Complicated din ng horror.
No.
Tapos yun yung pinipili pag big friend. Sexual Alam mo na.
Okay, I think Jack needs to mention Leon Kennedy here.
Hmm.
Speaking of
Sandali
horror.
lang. Ang OA naman, alam mo yung mga Roblox na horror game, hindi ganyan kakaka-stress. Like, sinasuggest ko lang kasi nakakatawa, ano.
Mm.
Ayun yung pang distress ko, ano. Makita na, ano, matakot yung iba. Hindi. Hi, Leon Kennedy.
Na para bang totoo.
Na parang
Alam ko
pang
na
audience
nanood.
siya.
Ida ba?
Who?
Either wrong.
Who? Hi, daw mo.
Either wrong.
Leon, kung nanonood
May message ka ba for him?
Nananawagan po ako.
Leon,
Hawak
kung
ko ang
nanonood.
pamilya mo.
Tawag ko dito. Okay, go back.
Ito na ilo ko.
O yan, overstimulate na nga.
Okay naman yung ano, kunyari na naman.
Si Jack, o yan, nahilo na ako.
Okay.
Bumagsak.
Over.
Masyado. Yung may utang kaya yung may utang kaya
Basta, alam nyo, babayaran ko yung utang ko kay Mark. Baka ano rin kasi ako eh.
Ano sasabihin nito ni Jack? I think you speak from trauma. We need to open that
Oh
up.
my gosh.
Hindi po.
So,
Nakalimutan ko nga na may utang si Jack sa akin. So, I don't
Same.
know.
I always forget he like owes me money until he's like, wait, babayaran ko na talaga utang ko.
I think he
Ay, may
speaks from
utang ako.
trauma. My God, Jack.
Shems. Dapat pala ano, hindi ko na sinabi.
oh, you're being avoidant trauma din.
Mark can
Oh.
really read people talaga, guys. Like, if napapansin niya na
It's scary.
there's something up with us,
Guys, hide
sasabihin
from
niya,
Mark.
oh, my ganyan, oh, my ganito.
I think it's gets ko bakit kayo natatakot, but I really like to read the room, lalo na if people around me is yun nga.
Ano?
Hindi.
Mark likes to hater.
Yan, yun sila.
Para bang hindi siya nag-AI dyan.
Aba.
Aba,
Hindi sa
Hindi.
schoolwork. Hindi sa schoolwork. Tandaan nyo yun. Siya yun.
he does it for fun. That's so sad. eme lang. Love
Pag ako
you.
nag-blip, blip, blip, blip.
The thing I like about Mark, although kasi it's scary, kasi I used to be someone who like rants all my problems to my friends until I got trauma kasi I got like backstabbed real hard. Like,
Parang di ko yan backstab. Parang back, ano po yan?
joke
Parang
lang.
sundot lang.
Natatakot ako mag-open kasi nga,
Hindi po kayo.
back in high school, what you say to one person does not stay with one person back then. So, parang ngayon kinakabahan ako pag may nalaman si Mark tungkol sa akin. Pero kasi, the more I observe Mark as a person and also whenever he finds things out, he comes off in a very maternal, mommy. He comes off in a very maternal and caring way kasi like if he notices something about you, are you okay? Ganyan, you can talk to me. It's not in a way na I feel unsafe or what. Or if let's say if I have a bad habit, he'll be like, oh, you should stop that. That's not like it comes up very caring and concerning, and it doesn't come off as like
You can sense the maturity na lang din.
yeah.
Yeah, that's why I like surrounding myself with good people, gano'n, yung mga
And like
if
medyo,
sorry,
oops,
wait lang. And kung hindi pa naman ganun ka-mature, makikita mo if they're trying to be, they're growing talaga. They have this passion or dedication to it. And I really see that in, not only in Mark, but also in my friends. Parang that's something really special to that's something really special to consider when, choosing your people na lang din.
Kasi nga.
Kasi nga,
Ano ba yan? Nawala to eh.
Kasi nga,
Hindi,
late
nandito
ka.
na, nandito na. Kasi nga, yung parang, ayoko sabihin parang culture, basta may parang stigma ngayon na yung pinakamalaking mistake mo, ayun na yung nag-aano sa'yo. Oo.
That's my hero. Nakalagay sa akin, who you were does not define who you are.
Taylor Swift.
Clock it.
So, parang hindi na tayo nagbibigay ng parang leeway na para sa oo. Ay, may langaw. And also, may ko-comment lang ako. Yung mga tao na magaling talaga mag-read ng room. Galing yun sa trauma. Charot.
Wait.
Ako kasi ganun eh.
It's understanding different lives of people. Even the ones you haven't met yet.
And
Oo.
alam mo,
Luma-
as someone who's not super comfortable pa with being vulnerable around people. Like, hindi, actually, yung sasabi ko kanina na if like may problem ako, sinasabi ko, that's only like if like super lala na. I don't usually vent out talaga. I wait for it na lumala. That's a really bad trait of mine, of anyone. But like I'm working on it na and it's gotten better naman. Like mas naging comfortable ako with like opening up to people. But like as someone who's not super comfortable with being vulnerable, talagang I really got caught off guard if si Mark biglang sasabihin niya, "Oh, may nangyari sa'yo, no?" Or like, "There's something bothering you, no?" Like, how did you clock that? How did you clock that thing?
He's like a detective.
Diba?
It gets obvious na lang din. If you meet a lot of people, you will know. Or like, kung you understand that certain person on a deeper level already, mararamdaman mo na lang.
I feel like Mark is a very energetic person kasi not in a way na he's so like bouncy or what. More of he likes
Sensitive
to
siya sa
he's very sensitive to energies and auras.
You know, talaga, when I am in the room, I allow people to be sensitive and be able to be, alam nyo, if, malapit kayo sa akin, you have to know na pwede kayo maging vulnerable sa akin at some point kasi nga, I speak from experience and I speak from what I know talaga. And if there's something na needs to be addressed, I will talaga talk to you and I will reach out to you kasi nga ayoko nang may kunyari if I talk to this person tapos and may nahalata ako na there's something bothering them, I have to adjust it and in a nicer way syempre, pero hindi ko naman sila i-confront na uy, may nangyari bang ganito sa'yo? Kailangan mong sabihin siya sa akin agad. I allow them to have a time for them to say it, and I allow them to have a time. If they don't want to say it, then I won't invade their privacy. And if they want to say it, I will speak from my experience. So, ayun.
Very healthy.
Everyone needs a Mark in their life.
Aw.
Real. Not our Mark.
Not our mark, though.
This is mine.
Joke lang.
Bakod, bakod.
That's
Yes,
another
I
critique.
hate it.
Girl boss.
For everyone deserves someone like Mark sa buhay nila. Very caring. You, I've been waiting for someone like you, someone like you.
Okay, so with that, I think marami tayong similarities sa coping mechanisms natin, no? I think it opens up a wound na tinakpan lang ng band-aid tapos hindi na nag-heal. Parang malaki siyang wound, tapos tinakpan lang ng maliit na band-aid. And the wound is still there, obvious na obvious siya. And what I love is may nakita tayong similarities with sa group natin. And I hope with our viewers, may nakita rin kayong similarities with us. And if not naman, you can say it in the comments or you can open it if you want as long
Buksan
as
mo.
you're comfortable. Buksan mo, papasukin
Papasukin ako.
ako.
Papasukin ako.
Okay, so as we wrap up this episode, I want to thank you guys for listening and staying with us, the Friday Cleaners. And I hope you will stay tuned for our next episode. And this has been Friday Cleaners.
Friday cleaners.
Thank you guys for watching.
Thank you. Buksan mo, papasukin ako. Papasukin ako,
Tingnan mo ako
bulaklak
ngayon.
para sa'yo.